Hello and welcome. This is part 3 of my retirement bike build series. Now you may be asking, part 3, but Jim, where's part 2? The last one I saw was part 1. Well, strictly speaking, that is true. Part 2 was an integral part of my 100th video, which I published last week, and I will link to that at the end of this video. One thing I do want to point out here is I have made a mid-build change. I was going to use a Pro Wheel 56-46 tooth crankset. The more I thought about that, the more I thought that's just a little sketchy. So I may use that later and with a maybe a fixie. I don't know, because I like to do weird stuff with bikes. Be that as it may, I ended up with a Shimano 52-34, and that's a lot more manageable for day-to-day riding. Other than that, the build is going really well, and you know, that wasn't that bad anyway. Now this is not going to be one of those videos where you see a detailed build-up, because there are plenty of others on the web. I would recommend RJ the Bike Guy on YouTube, and GCN Tech on YouTube, and the best one I think from a technical standpoint is the Park Tool YouTube channel. Those three resources will teach you everything you need to know. So sit back and enjoy. And here she is, very nearly finished. I've installed all the cables, and I didn't bother to show you any of that because, you know, how exciting is it to watch somebody cut cables? I'm also going to get some black bar tape for her, because black bar tape, it's just hard to beat the looks of that in my opinion. This has been an interesting build. I've got just under $630 into it. And sure, I could have bought a pretty decent bike, either online or slightly lower tier at a local bike shop for about that kind of money. But, you know, where's the fun in that? As I've said before, I love tinkering on bikes, and building this bike from scratch, it's just been all kinds of fun for me. Speaking of fun, I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed building the bike. And the next time you see her, she should be pretty much ready to go. And if you did enjoy this video, please leave me a thumbs up. It does help the channel grow. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. That way you won't miss any of my scintillating content. Oh, I can't help it. I can't leave a joke. So yeah, below left is the link to the playlist for the retirement bike, and below right is a link to another one of my videos. And as always, thank you for watching. Seriously, I appreciate it when you do. Bye.